the MPD Training Simulator and some of the functionalities that we've built into it. As you can see on the main control screen, we've got a simple equipment layout. We've got some rig BOPs, RCD, primary flow line, choke manifold, Coriolis skid and settable PRV skid. The valves are functioned just by clicking on them. Red indicates closed and green for open. Over here we've got the choke control skid. These buttons will function the choke by 5%, these by 1 and these by 0.1. Pretty simple interface. The choke can be controlled just choke A, just choke B or both at the same time. As you can see, the choke has a set point and a position, so if you make large choke adjustments, you can see it takes time to reach the set point. So it's realistic to a real hydraulic choke movement. This is the pump control. Pretty simple. These buttons will go up 5 strokes a minute and these will go up 1. Same with down. We've got 2 mud pumps and 1 auxiliary pump. Here they're displayed here and you'll be able to see the flow at each different pump if you want to have a look over in this area. We've also built a cyber ramp into the simulator. This will help when making connections so you can focus on the choke control while the driller ramps the pumps. As you can see, the pump will just ramp up slowly and you can stop it and then ramp up or ramp down. We've got 2 speeds for the cyber ramp, one being normal and one being fast. This module here, the standpipe pressure breakover, is to ensure that the pump doesn't ramp up over 5 strokes per minute before the standpipe pressure reaches surface back pressure. Here we've got some charts which just display some data. We've got delta flow, downhole set point, low, high, target, case and shoe data, total depth data. Now we'll move on to the drilling screen. Another simple interface. We've got the top drive, we've got the drilling speed, inclination. Here's where you start and stop drilling. We've got a standpipe bleed, mud properties, set of slips, MPD operating limits. This is where you set your low, high and your target. We've also got the configuration for the PRV here. So the PRV can be used in either drilling or connection mode, which the industry is moving towards, or you can set it straight into manual mode and then you'll be able to click on it, open and close. If it's in set point control, you can quickly flick between connection and drilling set point modes. Simulation configuration. This is an open simulator mode where you can just start the simulation and you can basically do whatever you want. You can set it up however you want, practice ramping the pumps, pretty much just an open simulation mode. If you click here, if you click this, we then come up with the actual simulations which take you through in a step-by-step manner different simulations. So we've got one for valve alignment, pump ramp practice and MPD connection practice. We've got a lot more simulations which are currently being built in and will be added accordingly. So if we go back into open mode, we'll do a quick run of the simulator so you can see what it's like when it's running. We'll just so as you can see, we're not getting no surface back pressure, and that's because we're not lined up properly. The RCD's open, so we'll close that. Here we've got the gut line open, we'll shut that. And we're not getting any readings on the meter, and that's because the meter gut line's open, so we'll shut that and line ourselves up properly. So as you can see, we're building pressure, so flow out is a little bit below flow in, just to compensate for that, and you'll see that'll build. So there's a lot of features like this that we've built into the simulator to make it very realistic. The delta flow module, this is a quick look chart, so as long as the blue line's in the middle of the green, everything's good. The same here, you've got your high and your low set point and your target. So as long as your green line is in between your two reds, then you're good to go. So you see here, if we close the choke, pressure will increase and everything works as it should, as you would expect it to in a real operation. We've got a separate screen here. When we run classes using the simulator, we run it on two screens, so we've got this running at all times so you can see what's going on. Well, that's the end of the introduction. Thanks for watching, and we'll be uploading more videos running through the detailed simulations as soon as we've got them recorded. Thanks.